Hey guys, it's Johnny with Linder's Adventures. Today we're prepping for our potatoes. We'll be doing long rows. I got 3 different varieties, basically 2 russets and then some Yukon Golds. Most potatoes, the rows have to be 30 to 36 inches apart. Since we get very busy, I'm going to actually just use some of this heavy-duty black fabric. It does a really good job. We've used it in several of our garden areas now, and they last multiple years. Just with how busy we get, it helps with some of the upkeep to where we don't have to keep tilling or mowing in between them. I'll leave a link in the description for that, guys. But yeah, so we'll be running the tiller, getting the soil really good. This area used to be for livestock, so the soil is very rich over here, really good for potatoes. So yeah, we'll get to tilling and we'll show you the work. Guys, as you can tell, we kind of got the ground broke up some. We got a row made up for the potatoes. We're going to do this with the other 2 rows. But first we got to go take the potato seeds and cut them at the eyes and split them up and let them dry for a couple days before we put them in the ground. So we got a little more time to break the soil, but we're going to show you how to break up them seeds as well to get the most out of each little potato. Alright guys, we got our potato seeds here. These ones are the Yukon Golds. I already got the russets cut. As you can see, they got little eyes. You just got to make sure it's got an eye or 2 on each of these. And so I'll kind of show you. You want to make sure you have a good sharp knife. As you can see, this is one of the eyes here. There's another one here. I'm trying to get some close-ups. You usually want them about half an egg size. So I could probably get 2 out of this one. I'll just cut that. And you can see all the eyes on this one. I'll probably just do 2 out of this one as well. See this one. I'll probably just cut this one in half. And then I'll do half again. So yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. And then you guys want this to dry for about, they say about 2 to 4 days. Just let them dry, and then they'll go straight in the ground. So I'm going to continue cutting the rest of these up, and then we'll show you putting them in the ground. Hey guys, so we're back at it. We cut up our potato seedlings. We had a little bit of issues. Our tiller just wasn't cutting it all the way. I mean, it did a good job breaking the topsoil, and it's a lot of work if you just try using a regular garden hoe. So I did do a little research. You know, I'm kind of teaching myself as I go. This is new ground that we're breaking, so there's a lot of stuff that goes a little deeper than just the topsoil. So we got one of these. It's actually called Pick Mat Up. So it's got a pretty sharp end over here, but it's 5 pounds, so it's got a little more weight to it. So you can break up the rows. I did 1 row here with that. Just to get a little deeper. I know you want to get at least 5 to 6 inches deep when doing potatoes. But as with everything, I think there's a little spiritual aspect to everything too. You know, sometimes we got some surface sin that's there, and it's easy to get that kind of broke up and, you know, get that sin out of our life. But sometimes we don't realize we have, you know, deeper sin until stuff arises. You need different tools for that. You need prayer, fasting, and community around you. And the same with, you know, with this tool. You know, some of that takes time and a lot of hard work, and sometimes you don't realize it till you get there. But if you guys got any prayer requests or anything we can be praying for you about, we are a praying family, and we'd be glad to pray for you guys. So, but we're gonna get to work. Got 2 more rows, and then we're gonna finally get the potatoes in the ground. We ended up getting a lot of rain. Got busy at work, so I'm anxious to get these potatoes in the ground. So we're gonna get to work. Alright guys, so we got our seeds here with these potatoes. Majority potatoes are around the same. You want to plant them 3 to 5 inches deep. You want to space them 12 to 15 inches apart. It's about a foot apart. And then in between rows you want 30 to 36 inches. So that's what we kind of got laid out here. These black tarps are 36 inches wide. So we just kind of got it spaced out perfectly for that. So we got 3 rows to plant today. And when you're planting these, obviously we let these dry a little more than what we wanted, just due to a busy schedule. But you want the eyes spacing up when you plant these.
So 3 to 5 inches deep. And we'll do about a foot length in between them. I wear like size 10.5, 11, so I just go off my boot. Like I said, we got Yukon Golds, and we also got 2 variables of russets, which they ended up all getting mixed together while they were drying, but that's fine. They all have the same specs basically. What's up, bud? You want to put one in?
Yeah.
And get the kids involved, guys. So put this right here, buddy. Put this one right here. Good job. We'll put another one right here. Put that one right there. Good job, buddy. Put this one right there, right in front of my boot. Good job. I might have to order a little bit more. Like I said, we end up waiting about a week and a half after cutting them, and some kind of got a little moldy. Trying to keep them out. Like this one has got some mold on it. I may be able to cut it again. I might try doing that before I just waste it. But after I space all these out, I'll go back through and cover them all up. Some people like to put straw or solid dust on the top layer as well once they cover them. So we may try it. I got sawdust at hand, so may try some sawdust this year. Finally a beautiful day. It's actually Resurrection Sunday, which is also the beginning of first fruits. My family, we keep Passover and unleavened bread as well. So very busy time of year. We're doing a lot of church activities and just assembling with believers. So happy Passover to everyone celebrating, and happy first fruits. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Like I mentioned, this is some new ground, so we got some work to do on this. But it's some good soil. I think we'll do good over here with this. It's a little more work since we haven't broke ground here before. But yeah, that's one row planted. We got Isaac back there helping cover him up. He's doing a good job. But we'll do the other 3 rows the same way, and we'll update you guys once we start digging them up. The kids really enjoy digging them up. It's like digging up gold for them. So but it's been blessed here on the homestead, guys. Make sure you hit that like and leave a comment, guys, and if you don't mind sharing the video as well. So but hope the Lord continues to bless you all, and we'll continue trying to video some of our action here on the homestead. So you all stay blessed.